Hello, this is Nettie. Welcome to my channel. I have a project share for you today of a variety of flowers that I have made, and I will be putting this under the hashtag #SatMoreMakes, which is an open art collaboration hosted by Jillian Norwood. And let me show you what I have made. So first, let me share the dies. I have this one here. It's by Scrap Diva, and all right, doesn't have the name on this one, but this is the one of them that I used. And then this one here, this is the fringe flower, I believe. And then this one here, this one I got KS Craft. It's the chamomile flower. It's the big size. And then from Scrap Diva, the hibiscus flower plate. Okay. All right, so first we have these here. Now, I used 110-pound cardstock. And then what I did was I used some Distress Oxide spray. So I sprayed the flowers with this after I cut them out. And then you let this dry. And then I sprayed with this red. This is called Festive Berries. And I didn't share the name of this one. Tumbled Glass. So I let them dry in between each spray. And as you can see, they come out different actually each time you make them. And I used a jemmy in the middle of these. And then I made these. I think they came out so pretty. And for the center of these, I used some really, really small seed beads. And then here is another set that I made. I really like these. Here's like one close up with the little berries. I mean, the little seed beads in them. Okay, so there's that. And then with the chamomile flowers, I made these. Same idea. I did the spraying with the Distress Oxide. There's another one. And let's see what else. We have another one here. Using the fringe flower. I used the little seed beads for the center, and then I also put some stickles, I believe is what I used on the edge. Okay. And then, whoops. In here, I have these, a variety that I made. This is with like a foiled paper. And this one here is with a craft paper, and then I sprinkled or sprayed these with a white spray. So craft stock with a white spray, and then these pretty little sticker, flat back stickers, sticker gems. And I also did a little bit of the stickles on the outer edges of the petals. So just showing you a variety of the color combinations. Let's see, here's another one with the craft paper. And then I made these. And I used the little stamens, different colors. All right, and then lastly, I wanted to share with you the hibiscus flowers that I made. And I used white cardstock, 110 pound, and then to give the color, I just used those little finger daubers, and I put them, put stamping ink on them, and I just colored them. And on the edge of the stamen, you can see that, I put little Nuvo drops on the edge, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Nuvo drops and stickles, I believe. That one, they got a little sparkly. And then I had to dig through my foliage dies to find a petal that worked. I had to go out and look at my hibiscus plant just to kind of get an idea of what the leaves looked like. And I really couldn't find anything exactly, but I tried my best. I think these ones came out, this leaf came out the best. And these ones have holly leaves on them. So there's those. And then here's some more. Oops, I dropped one. And then there's two sizes that come in the die set. So here's the smaller one. And then here's the last few. These. I really like these. And then I did one in black. I believe this one here, I started stamping it with some ink color. I don't remember what color it was, and I didn't really like the way it looked. So I could only hide the mess with black ink. So this one here is black. And actually, it's kind of cute, I think. And that is it for the flowers I wanted to share. And then I also wanted to share with you this tray. Whoops, sorry for it's got a bunch of glare on it. So this tray is stackable. Let me just move these over a little. So you have the bottom one, and as you can see, you can fit items in here. And then there's this one here that goes on the top. And then you've got this one and this one. And you can just keep building it with more. And these are makeup cases that I got, let's see, Marshall's, Isaac Jacobs. And I really, really like these. They're $10. So then you can go like that and just keep putting them on top of each other. So I wanted to share that with you as well, because I am pleased with that purchase. And that is it. So I would like to thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I truly appreciate you. And till next time.